Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find folder tools, click on it and tap on recorder. Then click allow and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it by clicking on the same button and unpause it the same way. If you want to end your recording and save it, tap on the right button over here, name it, tap OK and click at the same button to see a list of all your recordings. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you want to delete it, hold it, click on this delete icon over here and tap delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!